If you've been searching for how to make kube cake or coconut candy in Ghana, this is the detailed step-by-step recipe. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the perfect texture, not too soft and not too hard, okay? And guys, this is that same coconut candy we all grew up buying by the roadside after school. And you need just simple ingredients to get this done, okay? So guys, let's get right into it. So to make this, you are going to be using some matured coconut. I have here some sugar and a small amount of salt. That's it. No preservatives, no artificial flavoring, just simple ingredients. Now this is the side of your grater that you should use, and so we go ahead and shred our coconuts nicely. And this is what we have, very fine and beautiful. It's now time for us to make our caramel, and so to a pan I'm going to add in the sugar and allow this to start melting on a medium heat, okay? And do not stir until you see it melting, just like this, okay, before you start stirring. And at this point you need to lower your heat so that it doesn't burn, and you need to stir until the sugar melts completely, okay? At this point I'm going to add my salt, just a little, a pinch should do. Give it a complete stir and then go ahead and add my shredded coconut. So I'm going to be doing this bit by bit until everything is done. Again, make sure you are doing this on a medium heat because you do not want this to burn, okay? So you need to stir continuously until the mixture thickens up a bit, okay? And that's exactly what we want, just like this. Now you need to keep stirring until the mixture begins to leave the sides of the pan. At this point you need to reduce the heat slightly to prevent burning. So guys, our candy is ready, and so I'm going to spread this on my chopping board, a wooden one, and then allow it to cool a bit. And you need to be extra cautious here because it's very hot and it could burn you. Okay, so I'll just use my spatula to spread it a bit and allow it just for some few minutes. But if you don't roll it up quickly, it's going to harden up, okay? So with my oiled palm, I'm going to roll this into some balls. If you're not comfortable using your hands, please, you can put on some gloves. But I'm creating some memories here, okay? So allow me to use just my hands, right? So at this point it's still very hot, so what I usually do is to handle them from the edges until everything is done, okay? That way you do not burn yourself and you're able to handle your mixture very quickly. And guys, that's how to make the authentic kube cake or coconut candy in Ghana, okay? If your kube cake or your coconut candy turns out too soft, it means the syrup didn't reach the right stage. And if it's too hard, it means that it cooked for too long. So you always need to control your heat and stir consistently. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and also share to your loved ones. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.